Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through how we can reset the maintenance light there. So what we're going to do is turn the engine off. This is a Volvo XC90 from 2016 to 2022 is the same. So we're going to hold on to this button here, okay? And once you hold on to it, make sure your foot's not on anything. So hold it down and you're going to turn this to stage 1. So turn it once so you've got the fuel level on there. Okay, and make sure you're still holding on to this all the way down, and then we're going to put the foot on the brake and we're going to turn it on, and we're going to have this finger set all the way down. If you're getting that, make sure you hit the OK button there once, and if you do, you will then see the exclamation, well, the eye flash a few times, and once you do, you can let go. But if that little car sign comes on, hit the OK and then it'll reset it.